let's say if someone is preparing for FSM, what key point he should keep in mind while preparation, and along with that, if you can share the sources and the study material which you have followed.
Sure. So the first point, as I said, start with the Now Learning course. You have been provided with the path, right? So go through all the basically units that is part of that particular course. I've already mentioned the 4 unit it covers. Along with that, you can go with the ebook that is provided with the course. Next
Okay.
thing is you need to go through the blueprint. So see the 4 units that I'm talking about is the mandatory courses. There are few of the recommended courses provided in the blueprint as well. So you have part sources and transfer orders, and there are many, like there are like almost 6 units that are not covered as a mandatory, but it is recommended. So I'd say people to first go through the Now Learning course, open the blueprint, and go through these recommended courses as well. So the simulator that is FSM, the FSM simulator is also part of that itself, the recommended courses. So practically, if you want to learn, it is better to go through the FSM simulator. It helps you understand things very easily while you're studying. Like once you finish that one particular unit, go through the simulator, do that simulation. It makes things easier and better to understand. So that is another thing. The other thing that I referred was the Quizlet. So once I was preparing, I still didn't get the confidence of like, am I ready to give this certificate? Because there was
Okay.
not really, yeah, I mean, you do not have any, demo tests or anything as such. So I just went through Quizlet setup provided in Google. Just type FSM Quizlet, open like first 2, 3 links, and whichever is like available, just go through them, like 5, 10, 15 questions, and you're good to
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these simulators you're talking, these are along with the course, right? It's free.
It's free. Yes, it's free. It's along with
Okay.
the course. You just request your instance, you get your instance, and so there are 2 simulators in this. One which is along with the course. As soon as you finish the course, right? Like let's say you finished 1 unit, they'll give
Mm-hmm.
you like 1, 2 examples of what you need to do in the simulator. You do that. But there's one
Okay.
separate course completely on simulator itself. It's FSM implementation simulator, if I'm not wrong. It is part
Okay.
of the recommended courses. So go through that as well, because that will create an entire flow. It's basically like creating a demo project for yourself. So
Okay.
as I said, a water purifier, right? So I used the water purifier solution for this FSM implementation simulator. Did the thorough thing, and I was ready with the demo project.
Okay. Okay. Great.